Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of Apple's most affordable and practical products, the Apple Type-C EarPods. From unboxing to features and why they are a great value for money product, we'll cover it all. Let's get started. First up, let's unbox these beauties. As always, Apple keeps it simple and minimalistic. Inside this box, you'll find the earpods neatly packed along with some documentation. The design is classic Apple, sleek and functional. The Type-C connector immediately sets it apart, ensuring its compatibility with the latest Apple devices and more. When we think Apple, we usually think premium prices, but at an MRP of just 2000 rupees, and even better, I got these for 1549 during a recent sale on Amazon. The Type-C earpod is a steal. They deliver excellent sound quality without burning a hole in your pocket. Now let's talk features. These earpods support lossless audio, perfect for audiophiles who want superior sound quality. By the way, the AirPods 4 and the AirPod Pro 2 also supports lossless audio, but they come at a premium cost. Built-in remote, adjust the volume, control music and video playback, and even answer calls. It's super convenient. Comfortable fit, designed to stay secure in your ears for longer listening sessions. Whether you're streaming your favorite playlist, watching a movie, or taking a call, these earpods have you covered. Why go for Type-C over Lightning or 3mm earpods? Well, here are the key advantages. Future-proof. USB-C is a standard for Apple's latest devices, including iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks. Wider compatibility. Unlike Lightning, the Type-C works with many non-Apple devices as well. Durability. The Type-C connector is more robust than the 3.5mm jack, offering a longer lifespan. So how do these compare to the AirPods? Let's break it down. Cost, at a fraction of the price, these deliver similar sound quality without the premium tag. No charging needed. Plug and play means you never have to worry about battery life. More secure fit. For those who prefer wired earbuds, they stay put without the fear of losing one. To wrap things up, the Type-C EarPod is an excellent investment. They are affordable, feature packed, and compatible with a wide range of devices. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who loves good audio, these earpods are a no-brainer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such tech reviews and tips. See you in the next video.